Remove the existing foam insert from the side of the panel that will face the wall. Attach either the closed-cell foam gasket or the extended wall seal kit for polycarbonate or drywall. To attach the extended wall seal kit, slide it into place from the top of the panel and secure it in place with the screws provided. Take the pre-cut polycarbonate or drywall and place it against the wall, then fasten the wall seal using screws and wood strapping. Once the panel is in place, loosen the thumb knobs to raise the panel up to the ceiling. Secure it in place by tightening the thumb knobs. Then connect it to the drop ceiling using the provided ceiling brackets.